I'm gonna pull it up a little bit because it's kind of loud next to that garage.
Yeah, don't rev it. You're gonna scare the neighbors.
Oh, trust me, it's already way past that. It's already been happening for a while.
Let's go for a spin. Yeah, that's cool.
All the things fixed.
Oh, you got them fixed?
Yep, they're all fixed. You can hear it big time. Now it's like all just exhaust. It's real torquey. Like it doesn't take. It spools fast. Instantly. I got my the fucking little air valve thing I was telling you about. I got that replaced too.
Already?
Yep.
Testing.
Yeah, just a minute ago.
System ready.
I can't stay long. I gotta go. I think Melissa's cooking. You just nick it on the driveway?
Probably.
It doesn't sound too bad at 1800 RPM. Sounds good. There's a couple cops up here.
This bitch will attract the motherfucking shit out of them.
Yeah. Stay the motherfucker away from the cops.
They can stay the motherfucker away from me.
Motherfucker, was that sound? Is that motherfucker right there?
Flip this bitch around. Let's get that motherfucker.
If you lose him, just stop and listen for that motherfucking exhaust.
Yeah, you'll hear it. You might die down for a second, but then you'll hear it.
There he goes.
Yeah, there he goes. Westbound.
God damn, dude.
That. You hear it?
Yeah.
I don't like
This is where the cop was. Yeah, that sounds good.
that. Downshift.
Damn.
Second.
God damn. Yeah, that sounds great. Wow. Shithead alert.
Taylor.
Oh. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Yeah, it sounds really good. Dude, 35. Son of a bitch. That would have been a serious fucking ticket. God damn.
I'll go to the next one. I'll give you a couple rounds.
Just hold the clutch in already.
Yes, I'm
Jesus Christ! Somebody is shooting AKs in the woodlands. Don't get smart with me, boy. We know what we heard. Was it this?
Where are they at, son?
Was it this officer? Yeah, that's what it is. Get the hell out of here.
That shit out of here. That sounds like a two-step, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds great.
And that wasn't bouncing off the RPM governor either.
Damn.
When it does that, it goes real fast. Like,
Yeah.
it's like, what the fuck? It might not be that fast, but it hits it a lot faster than the crackles right there.
Yeah. With no restriction in that exhaust, I'm sure you will see flames sometimes.
And that's downpipe. Bro, that's like basically the turbo is hooked to the 3-inch exhaust. That
Turbo back exhaust.
Yep.
Pretty awesome. Sounds good.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's what Cam said. He was like, dude, that sounds great.
Yeah. I mean, it's not Civic-y at all. It's not.
You don't think so?
No.
It's real raspy to me. Like, did you hear like right where it was?
Oh
like,
yeah, when you.
It sounded like somebody shaking a real thin piece of metal.
It was. I think you might need stiffer hangers the rubber.
That's not vibrating against the car. It's not touching the car anywhere.
It kind of sounded like it was, or
Definitely not.
Or maybe where it connects is still a little loose, and it was getting some resonation.
Like on the downpipe?
Yeah.
No, maybe.
But I kind of heard it in the
Listen to the spool.
Further back. Yeah, it's like coming straight out of your exhaust. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Makes me want to go catless.
God, it's fucking ear candy though, dude.
It is.
I mean,
Sounds
it is
great.
sound. I don't like the raspiness.
It only does the raspy for a second.
Yeah.
But when you let off after you get it up there, it goes.
Cam, whenever I got out of the car after revving it, he was like, sounds good, dude. I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
I was like, all right, if you like it, bro, I'm good.
Yeah.
You have a fucking twin turbo Mustang sitting in there.
Yeah.
And a couple Skylines. Like, seriously?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I like it too.
But I swear, he told me, he was like, I have the skills to tune your brother's Subaru and your car if I have a dyno.
Nice.
And he's getting an all-wheel drive dyno.
Nice.
He said he's not getting a front wheel, he's not getting a rear wheel, he's getting definitely all-wheel drive. I was like, dude, that's awesome.
Maybe we could do some business with him so he'll give us a discount for the tuning.
I mean, he
and the
might give us like a
dyno.
$50 discount, but that's nothing compared to what he charges.
Yeah.
He was talking about giving me discounts and shit, but it was like instead of $900, it was $840.
Oh shit.
It's like, oh, thanks, but still fucking expensive. You smell that?
Yeah. I like that smell.
It smells like a dirt bike.
Yeah. I wonder if it's leaking.
Everything, dude, bro, there's no leaks. I've already put my hand next to the downpipe.
Huh.
I've been under the car the whole way down.
It's probably from the stop sign.
It's solid. But like when you stop, it's coming out of the exhaust, that
Yeah.
smell. It smells like one of those two-stroke dirt bikes.
One of the Ford Focus RSs drove by me the other day, or today, actually, and it smelled wonderful. I went, oh yeah. It smelled like my old Subaru.
I think I'm burning oil. That's why it smells like that, though.
Well,
But it doesn't, like when I first got it, it drained oil. Like the oil level went down consistently. Now that I've changed the oil and I've had it for a while, it doesn't move at all, very much at all.
yeah, it's not supposed to move much, but it is supposed to move.
So it's probably back right the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what that, I guess high octane fuel mixed with, I don't know, something. Because I've used high octane fuel in the Fiesta, and it didn't smell like that. But then I put it in my car and your car, and it smells like two-stroke dirt bike engines.
It takes it like 4 seconds to get to like an idle spool after you push the clutch in.
Yeah.
Like it slowly goes. You're like, I'm like, what the fuck, dude? What did I do in life to deserve this?
Yeah, that's cool.
And
It
then
sounds
Cam,
great.
like, dude, this is like one of the best days ever.
Yeah,
Just meeting him alone.
yeah. I want to meet him.
Really cool guy. Smart as hell, too. Like all the stuff like online, like all the stuff I read, I know some of it's bullshit, but like when you talk to him, it just sounds like he just knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. Smell like you've been drinking daiquiris or something.
Definitely have not been drinking daiquiris.
You been drinking daiquiris?
Didn't have a headset on. And a headset. I'll show you. You can see it, like in the engine compartment, really well.
Yeah, I want to see it. I can't put the windows up.
The whole car shakes now.
So-
It was banging up against the side of the car too, but when I went down there to fix the leak, I bent it down out of the compartment a little bit. So now it hangs a little lower, but
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, you left the socket on there.
Where?
It's probably hot as fuck.
Probably.
Oh fuck, it's hot as shit. Don't try to grab that thing.
I'm gonna leave it.
It's on the heat shield.
I'm gonna leave it.
Get it sucked up into your turbo and be like.
No, no, to get in there.
Dude, I touched it. It feel like touching a stove. Look at that little thing.
Yeah. That little guy left in there. He's alright. I just replaced this right here. The idle control valve.
Does that work? Did it help?
Yeah. I think it's gonna take me a while to tell if it's gonna help or not, you know, because it's gotta wait for like the problem to. It doesn't happen all the time. It just happens every once in a while.
Yeah.
So it's gonna take me about a week to determine whether or not it's fully fixed or not.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Yeah, it sounds really good.